Theatre for the Moscow Gala showcase of The Simpsons movie. Loyal fans of The Simpsons were there to share opinions and discuss The Simpsons trademark jokes. Our correspondent Valeria Paikova was there too.
They look like your neighbors, behave like your relatives, and are always in the mood for foul play. They are American, suburban, and deeply confused, and they appeal to viewers of all ages and nationalities. Perhaps the most entertaining of families, The Simpsons have finally made their way to the big screen. Not surprisingly, it's the uncouth character of Homer who is the source of the disaster that reaches all the way up to the White House.
President Schwarzenegger?
That is me.
Springfield has reached crisis levels. I've narrowed your choices down to 5 unthinkable options.
I was elected to lead, not to read.
So, meet The Simpsons. For many generations of viewers from all over the world, it's the most anticipated premiere of the year and the sitcom of all time. All agree, there's a lot more to the legendary epic than meets the eye.
I think for adults, it appeals to the more subtle political undertones or even cultural undertones. But it also appeals to a broad range of different nationalities. You know, I watched the movie in Spain and I watched it here in Russia, and both audiences laughed just as hard, I think, as an American audience.
Victoria's friend Francesca says she can't remember a time when she was not watching The Simpsons, the longest-running American sitcom.
We've grown up with The Simpsons, and it's quite funny to think, well, you can't really imagine it not being there. You can't imagine people like being born in sort of 5 years' time and not having The Simpsons with them, like throughout their childhood.
I think we can consider our generation the Simpsons generation.
Not many know that Russian animation guru Dmitry Malanichev worked on The Simpsons movie as an art director. It's Dmitry's 5th Hollywood release.
That's what I really like about the animation here in Hollywood, is that it's completely free of any racial or ethnical preferences. It doesn't really matter like who you are, from what country you're coming from, even what are your language skills. It all depends on your the level of your talent,
as well as on your sense of humor and the ability to laugh at yourself as much as at others.
Tracks get on the ceiling.
Spider Pig, Spider Pig.
Some say the reason for the success of The Simpsons is simple. They're human and flawed, so we can always relate to them. Now there is a movie, fans get the opportunity to spend even more time with this dysfunctional family. Valeria Paikova, Russia Today, Moscow.